Where do adjectives go in English? I mean, do they go before the word you're trying to describe or after? And what if you want to use more than one adjective when you're trying to talk about something? Well, today we're going to cover how to use adjectives and what is the order we use for adjectives in English. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Kristen and welcome to Koala Hugs. If you're looking for help with learning French, English, tips on language learning in general, or just an all-around good time, then be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, adjectives are words we use to describe nouns. So if I wanted to say something was slippery, beautiful, scary, creepy, soft, fluffy, white, purple, green, plaid, polka dotted, or just awesome, all of those would be adjectives. Depending on the language we're using, adjectives go in different places. For the most part, in Spanish, for example, adjectives go after the noun. In French, this is the same, except for some of the most common adjectives that you would use. They go before the noun. But in English, we always put adjectives before the word we're describing. So I would say, a red car, 9 fuzzy blankets, or an old shoe. But what happens if you want to use more than one adjective to describe something? What if those 9 blankets weren't just fuzzy, but they also were made of wool, they were new, and they were the color purple? Well, it turns out that there's actually a proper order for adjectives in English. So if you're learning English, this is really useful to know. But for me, as a native speaker, this just blew my mind because I have definitely, up until this point, I did not know that this existed, that there is an order for adjectives. But if you give me a list of adjectives, I can, without thinking about it, put them in the correct order. And so if you are also a native speaker for English, I challenge you to give this a try. You'll be surprised that you can do it too. So if I gave you the words window, glass, old, and fancy, without much effort, you'd be able to tell me that it's a fancy old glass window. If I gave you the words fossilized, prehistoric, rare, and dinosaur to describe a bone, then you could tell me that it's a rare, prehistoric, fossilized dinosaur bone. It's crazy. So the order of adjectives goes like this. So we start with a determiner, words like this, that, my, a, 42. And then we'd give an opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and then the noun itself. So I could say a beautiful round blue metal box, a weird small old American ballet shoe, my ugly 9-inch tall green plastic garden gnome, an expensive large white diamond ring, her creaky 2-year-old pink wooden chair, or a gross expired cardboard cereal box. So knowing this is incredibly helpful if you're speaking English, but especially if you're trying to add more descriptive language to your writing. So try this out yourself, see if you can impress your teacher, and if you like this video, would you mind hitting that nice little rectangular red subscribe button? And with that, I hope you have a wonderful day and I will be seeing you later. Bye!